So let's create a couple of tables that we might want to use for the to interact and insert and update and retrieve data. Let's see. Looks like we already have a table for developers. Let's see. What do we have there? Let's see. Department, quiz 2, developer. Do we have any developers here? I guess we do. We have Alice and Bob there. And we can see the schema for these. We can copy to the and we can look at the statements here that was used to create this. Create developer ID, username, password, first name, and last name. Right? It's just a primary key on the ID. So let's create a couple of other things. Let's create now another table. Maybe let's create the website table. And we'll have an ID for its primary key, right? And it'll be auto increment. And let's keep it simple. Let's have just here the name of the website and the description, which I believe those are the two of the fields that you are asked to create. Yes. All right. So let's just have that. And also, we might have would like to be able to implement the relationship between websites and developers, right? So let's logo in the foreign keys, and we'll reference the lectures. We want to reference the developer. Why is it not letting me? Let me apply. Close. Do I need to alter it? Let's see, website. Foreign key to I want to go back to the developer, and so I'll need that, right? I'll need another field. Oh, we didn't put that. Right? So this is developer ID, which is going to be an integer. And that's the one I'm going to use as a foreign key. Developer, foreign key, developer ID. And we want to have developer ID reference the developer directory. There we go. Okay. And we say apply and close. And now we can start inserting a couple of websites in here. Let's see, we can send insert into the database saying that I'm not going to give it the ID so that it'll auto increment. So I'll create maybe Facebook and a description, its own nation. And it's going to, I don't know what the developers are. Let me select the developers. I don't know their IDs. And what IDs do I have? Okay, 123 and 124, right? So let's give it all to maybe Bob. So that's 124. So that's 124. And if we insert that, insert it, let's see if it made it in there. So we can send to the SQL select all, and let's run that, and indeed we have Facebook. All right, so we have one website for that developer. All right, okay. All right, so we have something there. Let's try and start interacting with these two pieces of information. Okay. So the database is lectures. I believe I have created a user called CS5200 with the same password, CS5200, that has admin privileges. They can do everything. You can insert, update, delete. They could do everything with the database. So we're going to be logging into this database from Java, right, using JDBC and interacting with it. So let's do that. I think we have that enough to go back to Java and start interacting with this. So let's go back to Java.